So for this next part, we're going to be adding the holes to our cheese block. So it's going to look something like this. So go into Fusion, go to Create, go down to Sphere, and then click on it. Click on one of the, then you want to click on one of the face. Select anywhere, and these can be random. I'm going to do 3. Press Enter, and then you just repeat the process. Here, here, maybe 1.5. So that's the first side, and you want to do this to all of the sides. So once you're done with all of that, go to Fillet, which is right here. Click on the corners. Here, there, there, and there. And all around. So what fillet does is it rounds your edges so you don't get sharp edges like these. So you want to go all around to get rid of all of them. So this way you don't get cut. So once you have all of the sharp edges selected, you want to make it 1. If that doesn't work, go down lower, be 0.5, 0.3, maybe 0.4. Seems that 0.4 works, and then press OK. You should get something like this. Once you've done that, press Save. And then you want to make main body visible. And you go up here to where it says Assemble and go to Joint. Select the bottom of your hat and go up and select this hole right here. Like that. And then you want to rotate by 90 degrees. Like this. So that it's straight. And maybe lift it up slightly because it's touching. So maybe by about 0.5. Maybe lower, 0.4. That should be fine. And press OK. And there you have it, your Among Us character done. So to finish off, save your work. And you want to export all of these as STL files individually. So right click on this, main body, go down to save as STL. Make sure refinement is on high, press OK. And then you can save it on your desktop. Main body Among Us. Save. Then save the hat. Hat number 1 Among Us. So why do we do them separately? So this way, when you print them, they don't print together. That way you can change your hats easily. So now if you want to make another hat, you can always right click here, new components, and you create a new hat. And if you want to print out your work, you can either send that to your printer and print it out, or if you don't have one, you can always use a service, Makerverse, where you upload your work onto there and then you pay for the quote and they will send your design to your house. and we're done.